Space Station N7. Year 2136. 742 days. No contact. Until tonight. It wasn't a voice. It was a heartbeat. The signal came from the dark side of the planet. The dead side. The lights flickered. Gravity shifted. And then it reached for us. I saw it in the corridor. It was watching. Not a life form. Not a machine. A structure. Moving. Breathing. It wasn't just a signal. It was a door. They answered.